أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
A number of times I've been asked this question that I've got a topic but I do not know what theory to use. In this particular small session, I'm going to answer this question with the help of Google Scholar. Now I've got a simple topic here. Let's say the impact of sound on customer experiences. Now which theory shall I use? So let's start with the very basics because I've got my variables, that is sound, customer experiences, two words, so in inverted commas, and the word theory. Now let's search this and see what we get. This is a stepwise process, so I'm going to discuss it stepwise. So customer experiences, let's see, this is sound, but this is not the sound I am looking for. I'm looking for something like music, but this is sound or clear understanding. Sound through the speakers, well, this might be useful. Okay, let's move on and let's look at the other ones. But let's see, I'm not getting good enough results, so I might need to change my query. So the sound is something that is musical. Obviously the words are interchangeable, so instead of sound, let's use the word music. Let's put it in here. Now look at this. So music is something that is part of the atmosphere. So further, what you can do is we find another keyword, atmosphere. So music is part of the atmosphere, but is there a reference? Obviously, what you can do is you can search like this: music, atmosphere, customer experiences, and theory that have been used. So you're looking for a reference that actually links music to atmosphere. So this is how you can do it. And further, now you know that, okay, once let's search this one here. So look at this: atmosphere, music, theory. Now you need to obviously look into detail into these things. Now physical facilities. So music is part of physical facilities. Again, you can change your keywords as atmosphere or physical facilities because they might be the terms used interchangeably, and this will give you these results where you will have the word music, theory, atmosphere. Now when you open these papers, this will give you a further insight as to what theories have been used with these particular variables that are critical to your study. Now obviously a theory will help you explain relationships. You might not get specific theory linking your variables, but rather a theory that can help you explain your relationship but may not be specific. Let's say you are interested in assessing the impact of color on the customer experiences. Now you might not find a theory as specific as like something that deals with the relationship of color and customer experiences. Now what is color? Color is an environmental cue. It is something that is within the atmosphere within a particular, maybe let's say restaurant or a hotel or maybe a color. So let's say then you will have to use that umbrella term like atmosphere, like environment, and link it to the other variable and see what theories have been used to link this or these umbrella terms together. And then you have to narrow down that particular theory and link it with your variables. So now what I've done is I've created a very small stepwise procedure on how to search and write a theory in your paper or thesis. Now how do you search the theory? Here is the stepwise procedure. So as I discussed earlier, your first step is to put the words or variables as is with the word theory in Google Scholar. Now, since my variable was sound and its effect on customer experiences, so I use the variables as they were. So the variable sound, the variable customer experiences with the word theory. Now if you find the theory, well and good, you must be happy, and then move along. Just start writing on sound, customer experiences, and how they can be related in light of the theory that you have found. Now, if you cannot find the theory, the next step is try the synonyms and then search. For example, the synonym for sound could be music. So music, customer experiences, and then theory. And again, if you found it, well and good, start writing your literature. Now again, if you couldn't find it, the next step is to use an umbrella term for the variable or the variables. For example, in this case, music is part of the atmosphere or physical facilities. So the umbrella term is atmosphere or physical facilities. Now here is the query that can be used in Google Scholar in this particular scenario, where atmosphere is an umbrella term, customer experiences and theory. So you might find papers that have used music, the word atmosphere, customer experiences and theory. Now moving on, once you have found the theory, how do you write about it? How do you create that story? Now step 1. First, identify and provide a reference for music as part of the environment or physical facilities or atmosphere. Now the issue is you couldn't find a theory that directly links music to customer experiences, but you found music as something that is part of physical facilities or atmosphere or the environment. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that the reader knows that music is actually part of the environment, physical facilities or the atmosphere. Now once that is done, the step 2 is you have to link environmental or physical facilities or atmosphere with the other variable. In this case, it's the customer experiences. Now since you couldn't link directly the music part or the music variable with customer experiences, so you said that music is part of physical facilities or atmosphere. So step 2 should be linking physical facilities or the atmosphere with your customer experiences. Moving on, how do you create the story? And finally, this is the story that we create. So step 3, how to write. So this is an example. Now based on the literature or the literature arguments, assume that since music is a critical part of physical facilities, here it is, here's the reference, and physical facilities have been found to significantly affect customer experiences. Now you need to put the reference here as well. It is reasonable to assume that music will significantly affect customer experiences. Hence, based on the argument, it is proposed that, and here is your hypothesis. Now this is just a brief example of how to do the write-up. In actual paper or thesis, this must be very detailed. Just search the papers that have used the relevant theory. Read the papers, see how they use or what arguments they use to link the two concepts together. I hope this video would have helped you understand how to search theory and how to build a story. Thank you very much.